I've really loved being able to get hands-on with some of the best stuff that these companies have to offer.
I just want to see what the newest innovations are out there.
There's so much to see, it's amazing.
I mean, there's just a whole variety of things here.
Tells you what's out on the market, really.
I'm really impressed to see what New Zealand has done over the last couple of years.
It's just so well organised, so well run.
You just learn so much in one day.
It's sort of like the field days for a farmer, and everything's in one place.
It's really huge.
It's a really fun event to come along to.
It's a good place to bump into old friends, catch up on what everybody else is doing.
So if you don't get here and keep up with stuff, you're just going to get left behind.
It's about who's not here more than anything else.
I normally come every 2 years.
It's quite amazing really to see how technology's been changing.
I've been to this show a few times and it's certainly getting better each time.
There's always something new to see.
You walk away with a new concept and a new skill and you've learned something. So yeah, no, it's really good.
Yeah, definitely. We'll come back again.
We'll definitely come back in 2020.
If you're not here in 2020, you'd be crazy.